on your hard work. That's it. Just believe in your what is that hard work and do hard work and earn the money. Except that if anybody is saying that what is that I will pay the money, I will give free money, means something wrong with intention is there behind that. Okay, so I'll tell it. That one will clear today itself only. That one will clear today itself only. So what is the problem statement with this explanation just I'm giving, right? With this explanation, what is that? What the hacker is doing now? Hacker will send hacker will what is that? Hacker will send links, right? Links are sometime spam mail you guys are getting or not in your mailbox. Spam mail also, right? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
spam mail, right? So by clicking on that spam mail, what you guys are doing now, you guys are what is that, submitting your data, right? Data for the hacker. By filling that those details, right? What the hacker is doing now, they are reading your data, nothing more than else they are doing, right? So by spam mails, by showing what is that, by showing what is that different offers, different offers to what is the purpose behind it? What is that? To read what? Your personal data, right? Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
personal data. To read what is that? Your personal data, right? Personal data, or that what is that, and that makes what is that, makes a request to what is that, request to what? Bank or payment server, right? Server as like you, as like your request. After reading that, what they will do, they will make like that request, means what, like you only sending the request, right? You only sending the request, and what they are doing now, by making that request, they are looting your money from your bank account, right? From your bank account, right? So that concept is nothing but what we are saying now, phishing attack. That concept what we are saying now, phishing attack. You guys want to see that?
Phishing.
That is called what is that? Phishing attack. That phishing attack only called as what? That phishing attack only called as what is that? Cross-site request forgery. What is that? Cross-site request
Cross-site
forgery, right? Cross-site.
request for the
Yeah. So now,
cross-site request for
yeah. So phishing. 1 minute. What is the phishing attack, right? I will show it. Phishing attack. Phishing attack, right? Phishing attack. Yeah, just I'm clicking on the image. Yeah. What is the phishing attack now? See this. This is your computer, right? So just actually little bit net slow is there. No? Actually, I came to my native now for 10 days. Actually, some functions is there in my home, right? Miss Puja kind of things is there. So I came here, and here again network issues there, friends.
no problem.
1 minute. Yeah. see this, see how hacker, this is the, just is, this is what is that hacker machine, right? This is hacker machine and this is our machines, friends, right? By sending, first what they are sending to your machine now, what they are sending, what is that, some links, right? Some links are spam mail. On the spam mail they are saying that fill these things, you will get, what is that, you will get what, they will send, what is some messages to, what is that, fill and forward, like what is that, some recharge, like some recharge, you will get, what is that, 1,000 rupees recharge, and all those things like that. You guys are getting, are getting messages, or not on your mobile, friends? Come on, mobile or mails like that, anyone get the messages?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so what the hacker is doing now, this is the hacker machine, right? The hacker machine is sending some links are messages to your device, right? Your device. By then what is that, if spam mail is there, right? Spam mail is there, just don't do anything, friends, ignore it. Because if in the spam mail, what is that, if you are feeling that, if you are clicking that, by clicking only, what they are getting, they are reading your data, right? They are reading your data and they are collecting in our machine, right? They are collecting in our machine, right? Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
that is called, what is that, that is called what, phishing attack. That is called what,
Phishing.
phishing attack. Means what, they are reading
Phishing
your
attack.
personal data, right? They are reading the personal data. Don't worry, today we will design one application and we will make the request, and I will show it how our spring boot is avoiding those things, right? However, spring framework is avoiding those things. Now what is the phishing attacks now? What is the phishing attacks now? Means if hacker is reading our data by sending any link, or what is that, spam mail, that is called, what is that, phishing attack, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so that is only means, what is that, that hacker, if hacker again generating something, right? Generating something by reading that data, and again this that data sending again to you, right? Again to you, after clicking on that, what will happen now, your computer will make the request to your bank. Just assume that your bank, that is not that concept is nothing but that concept is nothing but, what is that, CSRF is nothing but, what is that, cross site request forgery, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so don't worry, solution already our spring framework is given, right? Solution already our spring framework is given, so don't worry. Let's understand the same things as a, what is that, diagrammatically only. Again let's understand the same things in that. I'm creating, what is that, just assume this is, what is that, your computer, right? This is what, your computer. This is your computer, right? Your computer. Okay, so in and what is that, just assume that this is the bank server. This is, what is that, bank server, right? Bank server. Simple, what you guys are doing now, simple, what you guys are doing now, if you need, right, just assume that phone pay, anything need to do, right? So you guys are making the request to whom, bank server, right? Bank server,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
And what is that, bank server is returning the responses, right? Bank server is returning the responses.
Okay, Ravi.
Bank server is returning the responses, right? Responses. So here, what is that, so by some here, what is that, this is the end user. Just assume that this is the end user. This is end user, right? End user. But in between, what is that, in between, if you are getting some links, right? Some links, right? What is that, which kind of links you are getting? Like what is that, fill this form and forward to your friend, right? Forward to your friend in group. Like what is that, what you will get, what is that, one iPhone or one bullet bike, right? One bullet bike, one bullet bike, share in 10 groups, and what is that, fill this form. right? So in between
Yes, Ravi.
yeah, in between what hackers will do, hackers will do, they will read end user data, right? They will, by sending that links, what they will do, they will read the data, right? They will try to read the data. Hacker will hacker machine. So just assume that this is the hacker machine, right? What they will first, they will try to read the details, right? Bank details. Just assume that bank account number or mobile number, etc. These kind of details they will read, right? They will read which kind of details they want to try. They try to read it now, friends. Which kind? Now try to read first. Try to read what is that, your personal bank account number, right? Bank account number, and what is that, mobile number, etc, right?
Yes, Ravi.
etc. These detail first, what they will do, by sending one link, what they will do, they will read, right? Who will read? Hacker will read. Hacker will read, right? Hacker will read this information. Hacker will read from the your devices by sending one spam link. By sending what is that, one spam link, right? Spam link. After then what they will do, after reading that data, right? Similar, which kind of forms will be there, right? Similar, they will design one form. Hacker will design one, what is that, form. Hacker, that is for what purpose they are designing that form? For the attacking purpose, right? For attack purpose,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
For attack purpose, what is that? Attack request form they will design, right? And in that what they will do, the main information they will hide, main information they will hidden, right? Main information they will hidden in the farm data, right? In the farm data, what they will do, they will main information, just what is that, what they will show, just what is that, just assume that they will show you message like, what is that message, they will see, so fill and forward, what is that, forward to your group. You will get what is that, 500 recharge. You will get what is that, 500 recharge. And what they will do, and this message again they will send to, what is that, your machine, right? Again they will send this message to what, your machine, right? But a machine. And here what you will do, you are thinking, hey, let's share this message to you, what, let's share this message
10
to, what
groups.
is that, you our 10 groups friends, and what is that, fill this information, or just by clicking on that, right? Whenever you are clicking on that, link, right, then what will happen now, already hacker already read your data, and what is that, they design like that form and they are sending. You are thinking that I'm clicking on that link, right? But what is the internally, so many things is happening, right? Means what is that form, that is the form data. And what you will do, you are making the request indirectly. What you are doing now, you are making the request to, what is that, your bank account. And what is that, what bank account is they, and inside that, what is that, they are filling our bank account detail. And what you are getting by taking that request, right? What our bank is doing now, our bank is sending that that amount to which account, hacker account, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Right? So
Yeah, okay.
our bank is transferring that money, our bank is transferring the money to whom? Our hacker machine, right?
Yes, Ravi.
transfer money, right? Transfer money to whom? Hacker machine, right? Hacker account, bank account. Hacker, what is that? Bank account. Hacker bank account, right? Hacker bank account. So just what is that? How they are designing that? Just I'm giving, see, like I'm not going to design bank account and all those things, because if because even those people will not give the permission also, right? But how they are designing, just simple, I'm designing one form, right? Just I'm designing one form, I will show that, right? How they are designing it. So simple, I'm giving one analysis to you people, right? Just analysis, but still designing and everything will come to you. Okay, designing and everything will come to you, friends, right? Don't worry about that. But still theory is going on na? And a theory is more important than our practical will take just 15 to 20 minutes itself only.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, so what I'm doing now, just a simple, I'm creating one. What is that? Let's bank data, right? Bank data dot html. Okay, so here what I'm doing now, let's take one form. Let's take one form. Inside that, what I'm doing now, I'm taking one action. Let's take, what is that? Payment itself only, and payment itself only, and method they are taking, what is that? Post, right? Method they are taking the post itself only. And then how they are designing the form, just see this, right? How they are designing the form, just see this, right? So like by reading your data, what they will do, input type equal to here hidden. They will use, what is that? Hidden. And name equal to, what is that? They will read your data, and inside that just account number and value they will give, what is that? They will give, what is that? Our own bank account, right? So something 1 2 3 4 5, something I'm giving, right? Something I'm giving. Okay, fine. So yeah, again, just copy the same. Why we will write again, right? So here, what is that? Again hidden. And let's take, what is that? Name they are giving, what is that? Your name, RK, as anyone, right? Anyone. And amount inside that they will give, what is that? Just give, what is that? 500 amount. Just normal simple, I'm designing one form, right? Form. And what they, after, then what they will give? Input type equal to submit, right? Input type equal to submit. And what they value they are giving, value inside that, what they are giving? Got, just something messages they are writing, right? My system is hanging now. What is that? Got, what is that? Got, what is that? 5 lakh or something. Okay, let's take 5 lakh. 5 lakh, what is that? 5 lakh rupees, right?
Reward.
Sorry, 5
5
lakh.
lakh rupees reward.
Yeah, 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees. Okay, claim now. What is it? Claim now, right? Claim now. Like that they are giving the messages, right? They are like that they are giving the messages. Okay, so what will happen now? Where I designed this form, how we can go in this location? 1 minute. Okay, no issue. Copy this one. I don't know where I this one notepad. Paste it here itself only. Save. Yeah, so see this, if I give this one, right, but here what it's showing now, but internally how many things are there, internally how many things are there, friends, like these also will submit or not, because but here what is that, it's showing that what is that, if I click on that, right, got 5 lakh rupees claim now, right, what I expose, just one button, but whenever I'm clicking, don't worry, still I did not give any implementation, but what is that, if any implementation is there internally, it will go to the this request will go to that server or not, come on, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, but internally what is that, so many things is, what is that, his account number, and what is how much amount I want, I'm facing, those amount also I kept or not, but those things I made as what is that, written form, right, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah.
today onward, if you guys are getting what is that, like that form, don't click or don't fill and don't forward to your friends, right? Don't forward to your friends. So the question is, what is that? The question is what now, friends? The question is what? How hacker will send spam or fake link to read our personal data? That is also question or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's understand what is that, how hacker will what, how hacker will send, how hacker will send what is that, spam or what is that, fake links to what, to read what is that, read personal data, right, personal data. So sometime guys, I don't know, the people are observing or not, right, sometime what is that, get easy job, right, first you need to pay this much money, right, they are sending like what is that, some job mails, right, whenever we are applying on the naukri.com, some fakes job opportunity also came, friends, right, come on, job emails, right,
Yes, Ravi.
if you are just simple, if you are visiting any job portal, right, there also some cases will be there also some cases will be there, right, what is that, get what is that, easy job, get what is that, easy job with what is that, with like what is that, just assume 80k salary, 80k salary salary, right, 80k salary. After then what is that, sometime if the people sometime the people also getting what is that, lottery money, right, you got what is that, this much lottery money, right, in if you are sometime nowadays, right, what is that, whenever our parent is disturbing us, right, like when you are when you are deciding for the like marriage, no mom dad, I need one more year, 1 2 year, right, like that, whenever we are giving to like that, this kind of excuses to our parent, then what our parent is thinking about that, okay, let's search what is that, his perfect match, then what they are doing now, they are using what is that, matrimonium also, right,
Yes,
come
Ravi.
on, matrimonium, right.
Yes,
So,
Ravi.
so sometime what is that? It's not meaning that every profile on the matrimonium, what is that? Correct profile only, right, correct, some people, some fake profile also is there, some fake profile also is there, if you are what is that, connecting with that profile, what they are asking some money, or they are giving what is that, some links, okay, by using that, what you need to do, you are what is that, you are clicking on that, and what is Yeah, so they are giving some links there also, they are reading what is that, they are also there also the chance is what is that to read your personal data, right? So matrimony fake what is that profile, some fake profile, what is that, some, and sometime what is that you guys are getting in your in mailbox only, what is that, spam mail, right? Spam mail, spam mail, right? Spam mails also, there also chances will be there, chances will be there, what is that, to read what is that your data. And on the messages too, what is that, your mobile, what is that, showing some offer, okay, you are getting what is that, this offer and that offer, there also chances will be there, right? There also chances will be there. And nowadays people are playing what is that, online game, right? Online game, if you are playing online game, what is the, in this situation what will happen now, your phone is connecting like with the server, what is that, for a long time, right? How long you are playing that game, you are what is that, your mobile device is connecting with what is that, that game server, right? In there also chances will be there to what, read your data, right? Read your data. So, and what is that, sometime what is that, if you are don't visit unnecessary website, as well as don't fill any wrong form prints, okay, on the internet, otherwise you guys will loot, right? You guys will loot. Just I also did mistake, how you know, just a 2 to 3 month back itself only, actually like one message I got, I clicked on that, right? Again that one is asking what is my Facebook profile username and password, I don't know. When I clicked, whenever I feel that they read my data, and every friend list, whatever friends are there on my friend list, right, they send the same link to everyone. Then I changed my password, right? My friends started to calling me, Ravi, we are getting from your profile this messages, right? Please change your password. So like that the things will happen, right? So solution, already solution, cross site, what is that, cross site request forgery solution already is there in our application, right? In our application. So let's first what we will do it now, first what we will do it now, let's design one application, simple application, right? Simple application, what we will do it now, let's design it. So everyone is ready to design that simple application, and I'll show that, right? What is the problem and how our spring is stopping that one,
Yes, Ravi.
how our spring is stopping that one, right? So shall we develop that application now? Hmm?
Yes,
Everyone,
Ravi.
I need
Yes,
everyone
Ravi.
response now,
Yes,
friends.
Ravi.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's what we will do it now, let's develop one simple in memory security. People are remember that when I was explaining the security concept, friends.
Yes, Ravi.
So same like I will use what is that, simple I will design one form, that is with that form will be dynamic form, right? That form will be dynamic form using theme leaf. So what I'm going directly, I'm going to what is that, develop that application. I'm not going to give the design, friends, because we already worked on that application,
Yes, Ravi.
right? So here what I'm going to do now, I'm taking what is that, file new, I'm taking what is that one, spring starter project. Okay, so Spring Boot CSRF, let's take, right? Now, next, select MySQL, Spring Data JPA, theme leaf. After then, what is that? Spring Security, Spring Web. Let's take Spring Dev tool also, and a Lambok also, right? Lambok also. Security, web, theme leaf,
Yes, Ravi.
dev tools, Lambok, data JP, and MySQL, right? So next, finish. Yeah. So first what we will do it now, let's develop what is that model data, right? Bank application I'm taking, friends, right? Bank application only I'm taking. So here let's take what? com dot
One class.
rk dot model, right? Model I'm taking, and here what I'm taking now, bank user I'm taking, right? Bank user, now finish it. Yeah. So here what we will, this is the entity class. So let's
Data. At the entity.
at the rate entity, at the rate entity, at the rate, let's take data also
Data.
to generate what is
Scatter
long
data
walk,
method
right?
and constructor.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
inside that what we will do it now, let's take what is that private, what is that, what is that, let's take what is that integer, bank id, right? Bank id. Another one is what? Private, let's take this one also, integer bank account. Another, let's take what is that? Private double, what is that? Amount. Bank amount, right? These are the variables inside that. Okay, so after then what is that? At the rate id, at the rate generated value, I'm taking, right? Okay, good. So now our entity class is ready now. Okay, our entity class is ready now. Let's develop what is that? Our repository, right? Let's develop our what is that? Repository. Now right click, new, let's take what is that? Interface na? Interface. Okay, so dot, what is that? Let's take repo, and here what is that? Bank user,
Bank repo.
repository, right? Repository, now finish. Here what we will do it now, extend
JPA repository.
JPA repository. Here what we will do it now, bank user,
Class.
bank user, right? Bank user, and here what is that? Integer, right?